I'm Jeniffer Kithure from Kenya, Meru County. My cluster is Moroga and my group is Umoja. I'm a TIST Leadership Council and I'm a team leader in Kenya. I joined TIST 2005. This is my farm. In TIST, farmers are the decision makers. So I decided to plant my trees in different species. Here I have mangoes. This is off season. And when fruits are ready, I used to sell, and others we use them in my family. And because I graft my trees, I've grafted my trees. These are the scions, you can see. I graft trees to my fellow neighbors, and also I train the farmers on how they can graft their fruits. Inside the fruit, I plant uh, crops like beans and also maize. And these are the benefits I get from my tree farming. I get, when thinning trees, I get fueled, and for sometimes I use them like fonder to my kettle. And this is how I was being trained. We ran through seminars and the trainings, and then we get the skills. We do recruit more farmers and register them like TIST farmers. And they are enjoying because when my neighbors look at my farm and see how it looks, they are very much interested in joining TIST. So TIST has encouraged me so much. I'm benefited, and that is when I do farming, I feel good, and I like tree planting, and this has uplifted me so much. So I thank it because of how I've done my job, and I'm very much thankful. Thank you.